how to solve the issue in the app bundle when you upload it. So when I click here, so app bundle is successfully done. Its name. So I'm putting the release note also. So release note this, uploaded file this. So just and next. So created close testing it is. So I'm uploaded the created close testing note, and this is a note. So now save it. And close testing comes here. So tester email. So now the link is here already. So I'm sharing the link. Thank you.